I'm gonna dig up my ube to see if I can divide it into more plants. For those of you guys that don't know, ube is a purple yam that is native to the Philippines. Its recent popularity is due to its desirable color and mild flavor, which goes well with many desserts. Now what you just saw me doing was inspecting for yams and other rhizomes. That way I can see if there's yams to harvest or new plants that I can replant. You can do this by hand or by shovel depending on how hard your soil is. In this bed I have soft soil, so it's easy to dig through it by hand. This first one right here was giving me a little bit of trouble. I think that's because it was the biggest of all of them. I was trying to pull it out in one piece, but because of the size of it, it was giving me a little bit of resistance. So I had to dig a little bit more to the sides. One thing I also learned through this process is to try not to pull them sideways, because that will happen. My big yam broke in half. This is my first impression on harvesting ube, and so far I like it. I'm excited, and I'm definitely loving this deep purple color here. Some of the soil dropped back into the void that was created, and I'm trying to get to the other half of that ube yam. It definitely feels like it's lodged in there pretty good. I didn't think I'd be able to get to it unless I removed these yams that were right next to it. Alright, so the new technique to harvest ube without snapping it is to choke my yam until it pops out. Hold on, that did not sound right. Okay, I'm gonna shake my yam out until it comes. That didn't sound right either. Alright, whatever, you get the point. In this harvest, I got a total of 3 ube yams. That's amazing. What makes it even more amazing is the fact that I started with a piece the size of a chestnut. In the first year I had it in a pot, it grew one vine and then died back. I thought it died. But then last year I saw it start growing a vine again, so I decided to transfer it into my raised bed. And then it grew many different vines. And of course it died back in the winter. Then fast forward to today when I discovered that I actually have ube yams to harvest. So yeah, it's been quite a journey to get to this point. You know the first thing I'm excited to make? Some ube halaya. It's a dessert basically made of mashed ube yams mixed with condensed or coconut milk. You basically simmer and mix the ingredients in a pan until it's very thick, like a paste, and almost solid. There you go. I finally got the other piece. I weighed all this ube later in the day, and I have approximately 3 pounds of ube. That's gonna be awesome. That was amazing. I got 3 huge ube tubers. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna prep some of this so that I can make a delicious dessert. I'm also gonna save some pieces to plant this year. Hopefully next year I have double the returns. Look at that, guys. Wow. Ube is known for its beautiful purple color, and you can see some of that on the stem, but most especially you can see it in the root. I love it, guys. That is beautiful. Stay tuned, guys. I plan to have a video of me making a delicious dessert and another video of me planting several new ube plants. Hey, thanks for watching, and make sure you like and follow for more videos.